Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm the founder of Cambrie's Cuddlies. My sister, Cambrie's grandma, and her daughter-in-law, Cambrie's mom, work with me on this venture. What is a cuddly? Let me explain. It's a small security blanket with sensory developmental benefits from the ribbon tags around the edges and the raised bump minky material that they're made of. My sister made one for Cambrie, and I said, geez, that's cuddly, and the name stuck. A little deviation of it is with a K, 2 Ds, and 2 Es. We also make a receiving blanket without the ribbons around the edges. We market our product on Etsy. Our competitors are other Etsy shops and Amazon. We offer free shipping of our high-quality handmade items to try and gain an edge over our competitors. If you'd like to know more, you can find us on Etsy at Cambrie's with a K and 2 Es, Cuddlies with a K, 2 Ds, and 2 Es.